Yes, welcome back to our next video of polynomials. Till now we have learned introduction, geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial, how to find zeros of a polynomial, and I have shown you the middle term splitting. It's very important for 6 to 10. Now the last topic of the chapter, when sum of zeros and product of zeros are given, how to find a quadratic polynomial. Not only that, when zeros are given, how to find a quadratic polynomial. So let us start with the concept of when sum of zeros and product of zeros are given. Thank you. So let us start it. So see here, sum of zeros and product of zeros are minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So what do you mean by sum of zeros? Last class we learned alpha plus beta equals to minus 1 by 4. What do you mean by product of zeros? Alpha into beta, correct. Alpha into beta is equals to what? 1 by 4. Now when sum of zeros, product of zeros are given, to find a quadratic polynomial, we are going to use this relation. That is k of x squared minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta. Now substitute. K is constant. We will choose next step. What is k? X square as it is minus alpha plus beta is what? 1 by 4 x plus alpha into beta is what? 1 by 4. If you see here, there is no denominator here, whereas here 4. So k should take this value so that this 4 will be nullified. So let k equals to 4. What is let k equals to 4? When you take k is equals to 4, what is 4 into x square? 4x square. What is minus is there? Has to, so keep minus. 4 into 1 by 4. 4 into 1 by 4. So 4 is in numerator, 4 is in denominator. They will get cancel each other. So minus x. Again plus 4 into 1 by 4, again 4 and 4 cancel each other, 1 is left. So what is the required polynomial when sum of zeros and product of zeros are given? 4x square minus x plus 1. Sir, you solved it, we understood. What about the questions? Very good. I am into that. So minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Can you solve? What is minus 3 by 2? Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta, and this is alpha beta. Now what if it is 0 comma minus 2? This is alpha plus beta, this is alpha beta. So then any more values are possible? Yes, root 3 you take and minus root 3 you take. Check it out. Try it as a homework. Now, so you told us when sum of zeros, product of zeros are given. What about when zeros are given? Last class we found zeros. Remember the last class zeros? What are they? 4 and minus 2. Same way I gave you some zeros here. The zeros are minus 2 and 3. What are the zeros? Minus 2 and 3. How to find quadratic polynomial? When zeros are given, to find quadratic polynomial, the same relation we are going to use. In this relation, I need alpha plus beta, I need alpha beta. But what is being given? They gave alpha minus 2, they gave beta 3. Now we should find alpha plus beta, then substitute. Check it out. So alpha plus beta equals to minus 2 plus 3, minus 1, no, plus 1, because plus 3, minus 2, different sign subtraction and bigger number sign. What is alpha into beta? Alpha is minus 2, beta is 3. Minus 2 into 3, nothing but minus 6. Minus 6. Now substitute. K is constant. We'll choose the next step. X square as it is. Minus alpha plus beta, how much we got? 1. So 1x, nothing but x only. Alpha into beta, minus 6 plus of minus 6. Now in denominator, nothing is there. Means it's constant. We should take it as 1. So let k equals to 1. Let k equals to 1. When k is 1, 1 into x square, 1 into x, plus into minus. So what are we going to get? X square minus x minus 6 is our required quadratic polynomial. Sir, we understood your basic. Now how to solve some homework questions in you? Absolutely correct. I'm going to give you some homework questions. 5 comma 2 minus 3 comma 4, 8 comma minus 1. So if people try to find out the zeros over here, and all the zeros have been given, so find sum of zeros, product of zeros. After that you find a quadratic polynomial. So both concepts have been done. Whether the topic of polynomials has been completed, chapter summary, introduction, geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial, and after that verifying the relation between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. After that, when sum of zeros and product of zeros are given, how to find a quadratic polynomial. When zeros are given, there is nothing but alpha beta, how to find a quadratic polynomial. With this, NCERT chapter 2 has been completed. But there is one request in one of our previous video comments that they need to learn division of polynomials. That one special video I'm going to do for that child, and it is helpful in SCRT. Thank you. Have a good day.